This video will demonstrate how to perform the dispense of the iMix 14 hot beverage system. Place a cup on the drip tray beneath the dispensing tip. Press the button and dispense the beverage. Release the button when the cup is approximately 3/4 full and allow the whipper chamber to drain. Note the whipper chamber must drain at the end of each dispense. Fill the hoppers with dry product. Then load hopper into the dispenser. The dispenser is ready for operation. Open the cabinet door. Rotate the hopper elbows upwards to keep from spilling powder. Then remove the hoppers. Repeat process for all hoppers.